In this video, we will learn how to initiate an on-track order on behalf of your clients from your RankMF partner dashboard. To initiate an on-track order, log into your RankMF partner dashboard. If you are new to RankMF or do not have any existing clients yet, then click on the CRM tab in the menu section. Click on Add Leads and fill in your client's information to proceed. In case you already have an existing set of clients, then directly go to the Investor Details page. Locate the specific client for whom you want to place the on-track order and click on the On-Track Auto Login button. This will redirect you to the client's RankMF dashboard. Once there, you will see a chart showcasing on-track's 13 personas, each categorized by risk and return preferences. Hover over any persona to review its details like target returns, expected risk, suitability, and recommended asset allocation. Explore the personas thoroughly and select the one that best matches your client investment goal. For the sake of this video, let's select the enterprising persona by clicking on the Select Enterprising Persona button. After selecting the persona, you will be redirected to its profile page. Here, you will see a detailed breakdown of chosen persona and its recommended asset allocation. If your client agrees, click Proceed with Persona. Your client's PAN detail will then appear pre-filled. Click Generate OTP to continue. Enter the OTP received by your client and the system will retrieve their current mutual fund holding. Alternatively, you can upload the latest eCash statement to retrieve the client's mutual fund holdings by sliding the cursor to the No option and clicking Proceed. A portfolio evaluation report will appear on the next screen. This report provides an in-depth analysis of your client's current investments, highlighting areas where they are off track and the missed opportunities for the potential gains. It also identifies how their investments are not aligned with the target persona, offering a detailed asset class-wise breakdown of discrepancies. Carefully review the report and then click Proceed. If your client's profile is already aligned with the selected persona, they can choose to add fresh capital or consolidate their assets for future tracking. Next, you will see a waterfall chart that illustrates the transition of your client's portfolio, a journey from misalignment to getting on track. The red bar represents misaligned asset classes that needs to be redeemed to generate funds for reallocation. The green bar indicates the proposed weight additions required to align the portfolio with the target asset allocation. Click Confirm to proceed. At this stage, if your client wishes to make a fresh investment in a selected persona, you can enter the additional amount. If they choose not to, you can simply skip this step. On the next screen, you will be taken to the Review and Realign page. This page provides a comprehensive transaction analysis detailing the schemes to be redeemed from your client's portfolio. The funds raised will be reallocated to the correct schemes and asset classes based on target asset allocation of your chosen plan. The review process is divided into 4 sections, each visible in specific scenarios. First is Fix your target allocation. This section showcases the scheme from the misaligned asset classes that need to be redeemed and replaced with the scheme suggested for the target allocation. You even get the option to change the target scheme but within the same asset type. Next section is upgrade to a better scheme. Some asset classes may already be aligned, but upgrades to better performing schemes are suggested for improved results. Third is all in order, no change required section. Perfectly aligned and top performing schemes remain unchanged. We recommend shifting these folios to RankMF for consolidated tracking and regular updates. The last section is cannot be rebalanced online. Certain schemes cannot be rebalanced online due to being locked in or held in a demat format. Even for such cases, we suggest transferring the folios to RankMF for seamless tracking and timely updates. If your client prefers not to redeem a specific scheme, they can deselect it before proceeding. However, for the best results, it's recommended to proceed without skipping any scheme. If the client holds investment outside RankMF, they have the option to consolidate these holdings on a single platform for easier management. With the client's consent, clicking the Proceed button will automatically download a pre-filled change of broker form. Simply obtain their signature on the form and submit it to the respective RTA or AMC office to complete the process. If the client does not have any holding outside RankMF and gives consent to proceed with the recommended schemes, clicking the Proceed button will directly lead to the order review page. Here, your client can review the redemption and purchase orders. Once everything is in place, get their consent to the terms and click Verify OTP. Your client will receive an OTP on their registered number and email. Enter the OTP and click Verify OTP to confirm. Once done, an order confirmation page will appear. If the client already has a validated min date, the on-track order will be processed within 5 to 7 working days. If not, you will see a Create Mandate button. Click it to proceed. On the mandate page, select Create New Mandate OTM, enter the amount and submit. A copy of mandate will be downloaded on the device. Get your client's signature on the mandate form and upload the signed document. Submitted mandates typically get approved within 3 to 5 working days. Once approved, the on-track order will be executed automatically. That's it. You have successfully placed an on-track order on behalf of your client using the RankMF Partner Dashboard.
If you wish to connect with us, you can call a support helpline number or simply write to us by using the details visible on your screen.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.